In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a private server in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox, both on PC and mobile. Start by selecting the Steal A Brainrot game, but don't click the play button. Instead, open the game's information page. Then, click on the social button with two people icons and select Create Private Server. If you're on mobile, tap Steal A Brainrot, then tap the social button at the bottom and choose Create Private Server. You'll see the cost at the top. Currently, it's 79 Robux per month. Next, name your server and select subscribe. Confirm the purchase if needed, then click not now. You'll now see your private server under the private servers section. Press join to start playing. If your server doesn't appear, press refresh, or on mobile, drag down the page to refresh it. To manage settings, click the three dots next to your private server and select configure. Here, you can turn off subscription renewal, enable allow joining, and allow friends to connect, to invite specific players, use add people and enter their usernames, or generate a private server link, copy it, and share it. Once everything's set, go back and hit join to start your game. You now know how to create and manage a private server in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox.